Hi everyone. This time cross the river. So we'll start with the versions for small kids, easy version, where you have different flash counts, start and finish, and you have to step over the flash counts by saying the words. If you get it wrong, oh no! The shark will eat you. Example.
Grapefruit.
No! It's grape. Oh, sorry. Start again.
Grape.
Yes.
Banana.
Yes.
Apple.
Yes.
Watermelon.
Excellent! You got it! Good job. Excellent. Okay. Now, for all the kids, we have a die with right foot, right hand, left foot, etc. etc. So, places in New Zealand, the girls will have to roll the die and say, Olivia, put your right foot on Auckland, or put your left hand on Christchurch, in order to go across. If you fall, you're eliminated. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, Olivia, put your right hand on Mount Cook. Okay. Right foot on Wellington.
Oops. Oh no! You get touch the place all the time. Sorry. Okay, who wants to try?
I'll try.
Okay, Lucy will try. Olivia, you're rolling the die.
Okay.
Remember, you are a team, okay? We want everybody to win. So,
Okay.
go.
Lucy,
Yeah.
put your left hand on Christchurch.
Okay. Your left foot on Auckland.
Interesting.
Your right foot on Fox Glacier.
Ooh.
Your right foot on Mount.
Ooh, you go, Sam.
Your right hand on Tasman Bay.
Your right hand on Mount Sinai.
Hey, now get to the finish
Your
line.
nose on finish line.
Yeah, go! Almost. Okay, so this is an adaptation of Twister. Of course, you can adapt it to any sort of flash counts, places, and body parts that you want. Thanks.